Single opening. From the home screen, click New Mat Design or Design to get started. Select a layout style. Single is best for one opening. Multi lets you place different openings freely. Array quickly builds a grid of identical openings. Enter your desired opening size. Next, set your border widths. The outside size will be calculated automatically once borders and openings are set. Or, enter a custom outside size manually if preferred. Click OK to open your design in the editor. Use the Properties tab to add layers and adjust reveal sizes as needed. Click Send to CMC to open the cut preview screen. In the cut preview screen, confirm mat size and cut mode. This is your final chance to review before starting your cut. When everything looks good, press Cut to begin. Multiple opening. From the home screen, click New Mat Design or Design. Click the Array tab for multiple opening options. Then select a shape from the template library. Enter your opening dimensions. Add as many openings as needed to build your layout. Adjust horizontal and vertical spacing to fine-tune your layout. Confirm that the outside size matches your intended dimensions. You can add or remove layers as needed for stacked mats or colored reveals. Click Send to CMC to open the cut preview screen. You can adjust final settings from the cut preview screen before cutting. When ready, press Cut to begin.